Welcome to the INNOcrave show. My name is Leona. Today we're going to talk about another idea development. So basically I take the Long Island Railroad to go to work every day. And I get up on the Long Island Railroad and I go up the stairs, take it in Long Island, so it's a high platform. So I'm looking down and I watch these cars every day come into the parking lot searching for parking. And I'm like, there's parking right there, there's parking right there. And they can't see the parking. So they drive around and they wait some cars a minute, some people are lucky, some cars 2-3 minutes because they got to go all the way around through the parking and sometimes come back around. Can't that be easier? Can't there be something done? Shouldn't there be something done about that? Well, no one's really caring, there's no money to be made in that, so why tackle that situation? But hey, if someone wants something to do, why not create an app, The reason why I say an app is because how else would you solve that problem? How else would you let people know that there's a parking available here and there's a parking available there unless you have someone in the front telling them, but then you have to pay someone? Or if you have assigned parking, but then some people may be off on certain days, or someone may be doing overtime, so they're going to decide to go to work, so they spot and be given to someone else because supposedly this person works, someone may be sick, they may not be near parking, so assigned parking wouldn't work either. So what would be the most useful way to do it and cost efficient? Be an app. They have apps now for parking. They have apps like Waze that let you do traffic, and where people get points for submitting traffic information. So wouldn't it be cool if there was an app that was the layout of the Long Island Railroad parking, and every time someone pulled into a parking spot, they hit in the app, parked here. And basically it's based on GPS. So as soon as you pull into the parking, the GPS now it has your latitude and longitude, so pinpoint wherever parking spot you go into because it has the map layout of the parking lots built into the app with the correct longitude and latitude GPS information in there. So whenever you pull into a parking spot, you just pull out the app and hit done. That's it, because it already has your position. You go to your get your ticket, you go up to the train, and someone else comes and they'll be like, well, that spot is taken, that spot is taken. Now, you can't have your phone out while you're driving, so we thought about that. So, when you pull in, you can pull the phone out, because you're in a parking lot, so you're driving really slow. So you can just stop for a second with your hazard lights on, look to see where they may be parking, and pull in. Now, when you look and you see parking, you got to think, it's probably you and 3 other cars pulling in at the same time. Now, with Waze, what I really like about Waze is that you can see how many other people that is pulling in that has that app, like not pulling in, but people who are driving on the highway who has that app, you can actually see their icons. So when you pull into the parking lot, if there's other people with the apps, you'll see other people pulling in. Don't race for the spots now, people. We don't want no car accidents. And basically, you can see, well, there's no one coming. Well, if there's someone who doesn't have the app, well, then someone could probably come and take it. But there's a chance that they may be parking there. So the likelihood of their parking spot being available is a better chance, so you know where to go. You have a faster route to getting where you're going. You see there's no other icons on there, so there's probably not another person coming for that spot. They may be, that person may not have an app. Now, how would you get the people to take the time to, even though the app could be set where it only takes about a couple seconds of your time, like 5 seconds, I would say rewards. People love rewards. Look at Waze. Waze is doing pretty good with the rewards. Reward points, If you have a certain amount of reward points, probably you get 1 free Long Island Railroad pass mailed to you, month pass or something. I don't know. Whoever's doing it could either partner with Long Island Railroad could probably create the app for their riders. Make it easier and reward them based on them giving points. They get like a free ride in the mail or something. I think that would provide great customer service, so it would be a good thing to do. But like I was saying, probably Long Island Railroad could do it, or anyone can create it, and you just put some ads and use the ad when you have a contest. Whoever has, if people have points, they could put their points in to get entries to a contest or something. So you draw people in with rewards to use the app. But I think that's a good idea. So basically, I saw a problem. The problem was people trying to find parking. Coming up with a solution, I tried to find the most cost-efficient solution. The most cost-efficient solution that I came up with was an app. Of course, you out there may think of something else, and that is good, because it's a thinking process. Write your comments, what you thought about, what ideas you thought of, what other ideas you can do. But I decided thinking, probably the app would be the best way to go. How would you get the user to use the app? rewards. How would the app actually work? We discussed that as well. So when you see a problem, you come up with a solution. Then you gotta figure out how you're gonna create that. Whatever the solution is, how would you be able to create it? And then you find that way to create it. And basically that's what we did in like 5 seconds. And that would be an app. The name of that app, I haven't thought about a name for it. Like this other idea I had, and I thought about a name right away. That was a name that comes probably Long Island Parking will be a simple one, but that's basically how we come up with ideas. Okay. Thank you for watching this segment of the INNOcrave show. If you like this video or any of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, INNOcrave. Follow us on Twitter, INNOcrave. You can email me at innocrave@gmail.com, or you can send me a message through social media. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, feedback, if you're working on a project and you're stuck, or you may want another insight on it or some help, feel free to share. I'm here to share my knowledge with you and hopefully learn as well as as learn some stuff as well. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye. I'm done.